Have you ever wondered why cars and trucks do the things they do? That's what this Have You Ever Wondered Why series is all about. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and every week I break down common automotive questions I get asked out in the field so you understand what's normal, what's not, and when it actually matters. So let's talk about one that catches people completely off guard. Have you ever wondered why your car battery worked fine yesterday, and today the car won't even start? No slow warning, no long struggle, just click, rapid clicks, or nothing at all. A lot of people think that means something else must be wrong. Starter, alternator, wiring, something big. In most cases, it's just the battery. This is one of the most common calls I get, especially in the morning or right after a temperature change. Let's break down why batteries usually don't die slowly and why they often give no warning at all. Car batteries are chemical devices. Inside the battery are lead plates submerged in sulfuric acid. That chemical reaction is what creates electrical power. Over time, that reaction weakens. One of the biggest battery killers is sulfation. That's when sulfate crystals build up on the battery plates. As sulfation increases, the battery's ability to hold and deliver power drops fast. Here's the important part: this happens internally. From the outside, the battery can look perfectly fine. No swelling, no leaks, clean terminals. But internally, the plates can't support the load anymore. Heat accelerates this process. Cold exposes it. That's why batteries often fail suddenly during cold mornings or extreme weather changes. The battery was already weak. You just didn't know it yet. Most batteries don't fade slowly. They hit a tipping point, and once they cross it, they're done. That's why a battery can start the car one day and be completely dead the next. Battery age matters a lot. Most car batteries last between 3 and 5 years. In hot climates, that lifespan can be shorter. Short trips are another big factor. Every start drains the battery. If the vehicle doesn't run long enough, the alternator never fully recharges it. Over time, the battery stays partially discharged and sulfation builds faster. Parasitic loads also play a role. Modern vehicles draw small amounts of power even when parked, for computers, security systems, and keyless entry. That constant draw wears down weak batteries quickly. Sometimes there are warning signs, but they're subtle. Slightly slower cranking, lights dimming just a bit, electronics acting weird. Most drivers don't notice until it's too late. That's why battery failures feel sudden, but they're usually predictable. So how do you avoid getting stranded? Know the age of your battery. If it's over 3 years old, have it tested regularly, especially before winter or summer. Pay attention to slow cranking or electrical oddities. Those are early warning signs. And remember, battery failure doesn't usually mean something else is wrong. It means the battery reached the end of its life. So have you ever wondered why car batteries die without warning? Now you know. They fail internally, often suddenly, and usually right when conditions expose their weakness. I'm Kevin with Kevin's Mobile Automotive Repair, and this is part of my Have You Ever Wondered Why series.